Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to deal with soil compaction using a 3-shank ripper. Lots of things can cause soil compaction. Large farm equipment can cause soil to compact in fields and reduce yields. Consistent traffic over a single path can cause standing water. Herds of livestock traveling back and forth from a feeding location can do the same. But it's a problem that can be tackled with your tractor and a shank ripper. Today, we're at a hay and cattle operation in southeast Kansas. The operator installed an electric fence so he can rotate his cattle off of the pasture east of the feedlot. Since then, about 200 head have consistently been feeding at these bunks once a day for the last 120 days. And their movement in and out of that area has really compacted the soil. Now it's time to rotate them back onto that pasture to the east and rip the compacted soil in the feeding area so moisture will penetrate and the grass will regrow. For this project, we're using a Frontier 3-shank ripper that'll penetrate this compacted soil up to 18 inches deep. That calls for a tractor with some power and some weight. So we're using a John Deere 5125R utility tractor that has 125 engine horsepower. We've also added a 540R loader with a 79-inch bucket. Time to get started. There's really nothing subtle about this kind of project. We're dragging heavy-duty, heat-treated steel shanks through this hard, compacted soil. And who knows what might be underneath. So each shank has a shear bolt in case Jermaine hits a big underground obstacle. In that case, the shear bolt is designed to break, allowing that shank to rotate back and up using the other anchoring bolt as a hinge. That way, it prevents further damage to the implement or to the tractor. If that happens, all you have to do is rotate the shank back into position, replace the shear bolt, and you're back in business. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.